Let's have some fun with Fennel Essential Oil. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today I get the joy of telling you all about Fennel Essential Oil. This oil smells like black licorice, so if you love black licorice, you'll definitely want to check this oil out. In this video, I'll tell you how to use Fennel Essential Oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Here are some of the benefits of Fennel Essential Oil. Fennel Essential Oil is really good at supporting digestion. You can use Fennel Essential Oil diluted and applied to the abdomen to help soothe digestive discomfort. Another way to use fennel is to help you relax. It has a very calming and uplifting aroma, so you can put it in the diffuser or make this Himalayan salt candle recipe that we have to use fennel to help you be more relaxed. You can use Fennel Essential Oil to help support your monthly cycle. Use it to help soothe discomfort associated with your monthly cycle. A third way to use Fennel Essential Oil is to support respiration. Use it in a diffuser or in a steam. Take a deep breath and you'll notice how much easier it is to breathe. Let's talk about how we know Fennel Essential Oil works. We can do this by looking at its natural chemical makeup, and Fennel Essential Oil is largely made up of E-anethol, fenchol, and alpha-pinene. To learn more about these naturally occurring chemicals, check out the blog post that we have linked about Fennel Essential Oil. Here's how to use Fennel Essential Oil safely. Whenever we're using an essential oil on the skin, we need to dilute it with a carrier oil, otherwise it can cause skin irritation. When diluted properly, Fennel Essential Oil is unlikely to cause skin irritation. This oil is best used with individuals aged 10 and up. Cats and dogs may find this oil irritating, so if you use this oil, make sure to keep an eye on your pets, leave the door open so that they can leave if the aroma distresses them. Don't use this oil directly on your cat or dog. To learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to these videos. Thanks for watching.